In Android Basics, we're going to talk about phone dialers. Apparently, people use phones to make phone calls. I didn't know this, but it's interesting. People tell me they do. And so let's talk about the dialers that come with your phone. A little bit like file managers and file explorers, you might be happy, broadly speaking, with the dialers that come with your phone, but equally, there may be reasons you want to change it. I have my OnePlus 8 powered up, and I'm going to show you what happens when I flick through my call history just quickly.
Favorites, tab, selected. The day, 149, and list, call to Stephen Anthony, 07, contact details for Stephen Anthony, unlabeled, button. Double tap to activate.
I've got an unlabeled button. I think that's probably a call button, but it is unlabeled. The other issue you have with the OnePlus dialer as well is that it doesn't let you answer the phone properly using TalkBack. Answering calls is quite difficult to do. So you probably will want to replace your stock dialer if you have a OnePlus phone. There are various different options you can use to do that. Happily, Google has made the stock Pixel dialer available, so you can go ahead and install that from the Play Store. There are a couple of other good dialers that blind people have used successfully and are known to be accessible where the devs listen and will fix things if they occur. DEW Contact is one, TruePhone Dialer is another, but obviously Google and OnePlus aren't the only manufacturer of dialers around.
Now, Ed, I have a question for you. That unlabeled button that you came across earlier, is that something that can be labeled or is unlabelable?
I think you could label it. I think you could use the button label feature in TalkBack to do that. I don't think that's a particular issue. I guess what you might want though, especially given the other more fundamental issue with the OnePlus dialer, the answering call thing, you might just want to swap out the dialer. Do you want to label buttons in a dialer where the functionality is going to be problematic elsewhere as well? Because that you probably can't fix quite so easily.
Now, Austin, on your Nord, that's the OnePlus Nord, is that button labeled since it comes with the Google dialer by default?
Okay, so the OnePlus Nord has the Google dialer, but and everything is labeled because it's a Google dialer. So updates come from the Play Store and also everything is labeled. There's no unlabeled button there.
That's good to hear.